Okay, train with me. I am about to go to my first Rubik's Cube competition or Speed Cube competition. Here's the structure. As you can see, there's a stack mat, a hand timer, a cube, a cup, paper, and then my iPad acts as my, so it has all the scramble algorithms, so I shuffle through those. And I was trying to simulate like the most realistic thing at a competition. Typically when I do casual solves, I'll use my spacebar as a timer, but this time I wanted to get used to the whole like slap the timer, drop the cube, slap the timer. Anyways, that's my first solve. It is my best solve at 24.57. So how they score this is, at a cube competition, they'll ask you to do 5 solves, maybe 6 solves if there's an issue, but the standard is you do 5 solves. And then you pitch out your best solve and your worst solve. Then you take the average of the 3 solves that were in the middle, not the worst, not the best. And then that gives you the average of 5 score. More about the procedures of the competition. So you have a scrambler that'll scramble the cube and bring it to your table, but there's a cup on your cube so that you can't pre-plan. And as you can see, there you go, I covered the cube. I scrambled under the table so I wouldn't see what's happening, and then I put the cup over the cube. And then as a competitor, once I remove the cube, I have 15 seconds to inspect. It's actually closer to 12 seconds to inspect, because by the time you finish inspecting, you put your cube down, you get your hands ready on the timer, that's gonna count up to 15 pretty quick. There are penalties. If you don't finish your inspection in time, then that time will go against your score. So like you did 20 seconds, but you got a plus 2 seconds because your inspection went longer. Or if your inspection is like way longer, maybe like plus 5 seconds, 6 seconds, and it's just a DNF, did not finish. So as you can see, I don't really take the inspection time that serious, partly because I can't really plan look-aheads that quickly. My main thing is I just try to get the cross, plan out the cross, and do the F2L on the fly. Yeah, so I'm most comfortable on white and yellow crosses. Oh, not efficient. Oh my goodness. Okay, whatever. And, okay, so I was trying to see if I deserved a penalty here. I decided to not give myself a penalty, partly because the way the top slice, it's not over that 45 degrees. So yeah, I just gave myself a regular time. But in a competition, your judge will see if you deserve a penalty. And from like YouTube videos I've watched, because again, I've never been to a competition, if your slice is like 90 degrees, where it's like one slice, one move away, like a U or U prime, then you get plus 2. If it's 2 slices, like U2 or U2 prime, then you get a DNF. I'm pretty sure. Anyways. Okay, I did a blue cross on this one. Ah. It was also my worst solve, which is to be expected. So that gets chucked out. And here we go, we're done. Time to do some quick math. I'll eliminate the best and the worst, and then do the averages of the 3 that were in between. Okay, here's the result, 27.11.